Hello, I'm Steve, this is Bit of Munch, and it's day 2 of New Food Week 2026. It's also Noodle Tuesday. So today I'm trying new Wasabi Chicken Chili Crisp. Now how do you say that? It looks like Biang Biang Noodles? Biang. I'm going to say Biang Biang, because that sounds good. I'm probably completely wrong. No doubt somebody will correct me. £4.80 from Morrisons. So this will better be good. Okay, it's got a 2 chilli rating, according to the pack there. And also on the front here, it says, feeling lucky? You can win money by scanning the QR code. I've already had a quick look. So I might do that later. You never know, you might never see me again. I might become a multi-millionaire. Okay, so we've got two containers. Well, one container with a divider. On one side you've got the chicken, the sauce and the noodles. And then the other side, there's some veg. Because this is flat noodle mixed with sesame paste and chilli oil with chilli flakes, with spiced chicken thigh, served with carrot, edamame bean and spring greens. Microwave or pan fry this. I'm going to microwave it. It takes 5 minutes. Halfway through you have to peel back the film and add a tablespoon of water to the noodles and give it a stir. So I will do that. 400-gram meal. So what we got in the ingredients? Noodles are 31%, spiced chicken 19%, and as you've already heard me say, it's chicken thigh, and chilli oil 7%. Now, I don't normally buy meals with chicken thigh in them, because I haven't had very good luck with chicken thigh products. They've usually been, well, the chicken has usually been really poor quality. But then a lot of people say that chicken thigh has got a lot more flavour than chicken breast. And I really like the look of this one. So I thought, let's have a go. It's chicken thigh, but yeah, let's give it a try. Chicken thigh, give it a try. Oh my. Oh dear. Made in the UK by us, using chicken from Europe. Okay. All the information on that side is all about this giveaway. Yeah. I'll have a look at that later. Might have a go at it. Okay. I wonder how spicy this is going to be. I don't know why. It says it's a medium. I've got a feeling this is going to be incredibly spicy. I don't know why. I don't know why I've got that feeling. Right, you have to remove it from that to microwave it. And then serve it up in that, I guess. Yeah, I mean it shows it all mixed together, doesn't it, on the picture on the front there. The noodles, the veg, the chicken, everything. It also shows some red chillies on there. Can't see any of them yet, but they might be lurking under there somewhere. Okay, let's get this heated up. Get it in my specially provided bowl, and we'll give it a try. Chicken thigh. Oh my. Why? So there is my Wasabi Chicken Chili Crisp Biang Biang Noodles. And the main smell from this is actually the chicken. You can smell other things as well, obviously, but yeah, the main smell is the chicken. It smells so good. As I said to you, halfway through, you have to stir it all and add a tablespoon of water. So at that point I took all the chicken out and put it on a plate, cut it up quickly and mixed it all back in again. And yeah, there is loads of it. And I mixed all the veg in with it as well. All this does look and smell amazing. It really does. Okay, I guess we should try a bit of the chicken first, shouldn't we? A little bit of carrot there as well. Here we go. That chicken is as tender as anything. And it's definitely spicy. Oh yeah, it's a lovely, lovely flavour. Lovely mix of flavours. So there's the big flat noodles. Let's try them. Absolutely superb texture and taste. Right, oh, that chili heat's building. A couple of edamame beans there, with another bit of chicken and a tiny bit of noodle. The beans, well, those beans were a little bit too firm for me, but that's only a minor criticism. I say only a little bit too firm. I'll try another couple in a minute. I'm definitely picking up flavours of the sesame as well now. Yeah. This is absolutely amazing. Absolutely full of chili flavour and chili heat. Let's just try a couple more of these beans. Yeah, as I said, I'd like them a little bit softer, but compared to the quality of the rest of the meal, that is a absolutely minor thing. It really is. Oh, this is amazing. £4.80. Oh, it said sniffing because of the chili heat. Yeah, £4.80. I think it's worth it. I just blow my nose there because of the chili. Don't get me wrong, it's not overpowering in chili. It says it's a 2 chili rating, and it is. And these noodles, they're almost sort of creamy. They're so good. Right, one more bit and we'll sum this up properly. And through all that chili heat and other flavours in this, you can still taste the chicken. Oh, this is far and away the best chicken thigh product I have ever tried. Definitely. So, wasabi. chicken chili crisp Biang Biang Noodles is excellent in my opinion. The chicken is incredibly tender, tasty. You can actually taste the chicken in amongst all this, and there's a lot of chili heat in this. 2 chili rating, it lives up to that. The noodles are fantastic, slightly sort of creamy. As I've already said, £4.80, and it's worth it. I would definitely have this again, definitely. Although to be fair, these little bits of carrot and spring green, you can't really taste them. Even on their own you can't, but that doesn't matter, it just adds to the interest and the different textures and everything in it. Oh yes. Right, I'm going to go and thoroughly enjoy the rest of that. Oh, that is so good. Oh, when I picked it up in Morrisons, I was thinking it's a bit pricey. I should wait until these are on offer really, but then I thought, no, it's new. It's New Food Week. It's noodles. And I'm so glad I did pick it up. Right, just to remind you again, that's what it is. I'm going to go and thoroughly enjoy the rest of it. And I'll see you tomorrow in the next video. Thanks for watching.